Okay, so welcome to Waste Management System using Internet of Things for Smart Cities. This is the web page I have designed. This is the home page, retrofitting beyond smart cities, retrofitting cities for happiness. So whosoever visits this web page will get to know, they can get the knowledge about what is smart city. Then comes your brief about Internet of Things. Then is your some recommended links I have shown over here. Whosoever wants to study about these links can go to these links and then they can study like Arduino Uno, Ethernet Shield, Wi-Fi Shield and different sensors, and also about the technology, Internet of Things. For coding they can visit W3 schools. It also has a Amity tab. Like I designed this project for my college, so it has the founder president Dr. Ashok K. Chauhan, followed by all the faculty members, HY sir, you can see in this. Then about my project, I have included a brief summary about my project, what is waste management system, then how it works, then is the autonomous irrigation system, autonomous street light system. This has the images, this tab has the images. This is the contact number. Whoever wants to contact me can contact through the details. I have mentioned my email address, so you can drop your queries regarding this project. Now coming to this is the waste monitoring tab. This will have all the functionality, how the project works, all the database and the graph is in this tab. So I just press this and you can see here comes the user authentication. I'll enter my username, I'll enter the password, I'll log in into this. So now you see this is the database. Sorry for the interruption. This is the database which I have designed, and you can see the dustbins values are continuously updated in the database. Today is 29th June, so you can see the remaining space in the dustbin is 4 centimeter and the dustbin is filled up to 56 centimeters. So the height of the dustbin is around 60 centimeters. This is the dustbin, you can see. This is the whole dustbin, it's around 60 centimeters approximately, which has an ultrasonic sensor inside it. Above it has a Ethernet shield interface with the Arduino Uno microcontroller. You can see this is connected with the LAN cable, and which is connected to this switch, and it is getting the power through the laptop. You can also power it through solar power cells, you can power it through battery adapter, anything you want. So this is connected. Now I'll show you the working. I'll connect this, you can see. I'll connect my project. You can see the LEDs flashing. So now you'll get the values updated. You can see right now it is 56.4 and time is 2:28:18. We should get the values. You can see right now 57 centimeter and 3 centimeter is the distance. 3 is because it has the ultrasonic sensor is also hooked up somewhere, so it will calculate that depending on that, and approximately I told you it's 60 centimeters. So you can see it has. Now what I'll do is I'll place my hand in front of this. So what it will do is it will show a notification. It will show a notification in this. So it also has a graph. Firstly, I'll show you how it is working. You can see values are continuously updated. Now I'll place my hand in front of this. That means the dustbin is filled. It also has a graph, as you can see. When I view this, you can see here is the waste monitoring graph. Right now it is showing the distance is 3 and waste distance you can see is 3. So it is continuously updating. You can see here the notification comes as the dustbin is filled. This is the waste management app. You can see waste management system, Amity University. Dustbin is full, please clean. Clean India, Green India. So now you can see as the notification has come. So here the distance must be less than, that means dustbin is filled. You can see waste distance, remaining space. Sorry, this is the actual value because of what the update came. 8 centimeter is the remaining space. That I have programmed this microcontroller such that like if the dustbin is like 60 centimeters, so if it's filled up to 50 centimeter or beyond that, it will give a notification. That means 10 centimeter or less than that, if the sensor senses the height, it will give a notification to the Android application. So this is all the project, how it works. And you can see here the graph is also plotted for recent calculation 57. So the distance is 3 and it shows 3 centimeter. You can hear the sound. It means that the notification has come. You can see here also dustbin is full. Thank you so much. Hope you like the video.